I saw someone in a bubble. On his knees he was, praying, I guess. At the first time I wasn't sure he was a man. How could he bear to be seen from the outside? I came nearer to be sure. It was someone. Somebody not moving. In his bubble. How could this be possible? Before seeing this bubble, I was walking and thinking, well, I should be more in my bubble sometimes to protect myself. But when I saw this man in his real bubble, I knew it was worse. Does the progress mean we must protect from the other? When he was a child, this man in this bubble never dreamt about this. Neither you, nor I, nor any of us.
And when you climb into your bed at night, and when you bolt and lock the door, just think of those out in the dark and cold. 'Cause there's not enough love to go round. No, there's not enough love to go round.